So we're out here doing a photo shoot in Vancouver, and yeah, so we've done with the first location. We're gonna go to the second one, so I'm recording on my phone and not my camera, so don't mind the sound and the wind.
Feel that, whatever you're feeling. So, from a religious perspective.
What up guys, so we are in Toronto. No, we're in Vancouver, lols. We're in Vancouver. We landed yesterday and it's our first full day in Vancouver. So this morning we actually went and did two shoots. Oh, I did 2 shoots this morning and Jyoti did a shoot as well. So we've just came back and it's like 4 o'clock. It's 4 o'clock, so we are now heading downtown in the car. So that's what the plan is. But yeah, I mean, the shoot was really fun. It was like fully planned out like before. I was super excited for it. So yeah, I mean, I'll add in behind the scenes footage, and to see the pictures once they are released, they'll be on that X-Course Instagram page if you do want to check them out. And I think I'm getting ill because I'm like really hot right now and my throat's going, I'm dead set, my brain's going, I'm shutting down. Lost my wallet, well, his wallet and my bag. Great start. But anyways, we'll keep you updated with the journey. So we are in downtown near the docks. We have just eaten from A&W, got the Beyond Burger, and then we went to that suspension bridge, which was cool. I'm feeling a little better. I started sweating at one point and I was getting hot and cold flushes, and then started feeling sick, and then the food kind of sorted that out, and now like I'm really tired, so I've got a headache, so I just want to get back. Yeah.
We're going back to home, but we are right now at the moment now at Canada Place.
Yeah, so we're just trying to wait for a bus or something, or figure out a way to get home. So that's the journey.
Yeah. So yes guys, it's another day in Vancouver, and where is Jess?
We're heading to Whistler, and I'm really sick, and I think I'm gonna puke, and I have a fever, so let's go.
Yeah, so she's feeling ill today and tired. हाँ भाई जस फिर कितने आ गए ਆਪਾਂ
Gondola, whistles.
Yeah.
Luckily थोड़ा जिहा मिलूगी राइड हो गई है
कि नहीं?
हाँ जी जस.
We are at the top of the peak. We made it. It's really cold. But yeah, we just took 2 gondolas down. We've got 1 more to go down as well. But yeah. What up guys, so we're back from Whistler, and it was a good day, you know. I don't know why I look so white from this way, but anyways, so we came back from Whistler, and it was good, it was fun. I was just a bit sick, so all my journey there I was like completely knocked out because I took anti-sickness, and then I took 2 lots of pain relief because I was in so much pain, like my head, my back, my everything was hurting, plus I was feeling sick, so I didn't want to eat. But I took that and I was knocked out for like 2 hours straight, 3 nearly, and it was impossible for me to get up. On the way back I didn't sleep any at all, but I did take 1 pain reliever, but it didn't do anything, so I had to wait until the next 4 hours to take another lot. But anyways, we're home. I'm gonna get changed. I'm gonna have something to eat before I start feeling sick again, because I'm breaking out with a fever and it keeps going away and coming back, and my throat's like killing me. Tomorrow is like another day, so tomorrow I'm just going to see family, so I don't think I'll be vlogging much because I'm going to be seeing like 3 or 4 different families throughout the day. So I mean, I hope you enjoy the rest of this journey. Yeah, stay tuned.